what is a Zenphi workspace? A Zenphi workspace is a top physical boundary of a group of Zenphi resources like spaces, flows, tables, dashboards, and more. A workspace may consist of one or more spaces. Spaces are like folders in your workspace. As we can see here, there are different spaces. Each space contains a specific set of flows, tables, dashboards, etc. You may have one for leave requests, for admin flows, etc. Inside of your space, you're going to be able to find things like your flows, your tables, your dashboards. However, here you're also able to see your tasks, as well as access a spot for customer support. Here you're able to either ask for help by accessing a chat or access our documentation. You'll also find your settings. Here you're able to see your workspace users, information about your subscription, payment methods, invoices, your flows, and much more. Zenphi has two types of templates that you can make use of to make your experience with Zenphi that much easier. We're going to start with the space templates, which is going to create all the dashboards, flows, tables, and everything you may need for an entire process. To be able to access these, you're going to click on Create New Space, and then you're going to be able to see different templates. So here we have one for quote generation, incident reports, leave requests, etc. If you click on Use Template, you're going to be able to see a description, a summary of what the flow includes, and what it's going to be creating for you. Now, if you don't want to create an entire space template and you just want to use a flow template, you can access them by going to your flows, click on Create Your First Flow, start with a template, and you're going to be able to see a plethora of options, all using different actions. You're going to see a description. That way you know exactly what the flow is going to include. If you want to use it, simply click on Start. You're going to see a summary, the different assets, and you're going to be able to set up your connection here.